Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to add a smooth pro looking transitions in InShot to take your edits to the next level. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to open your InShot and import your clips into the timeline. Then tap between the two clips. You'll see a white transition icon appear and then tap on it to open the transition menu. And then here you'll find the tabs. There are different tabs like basic, camera, and more. Then in basic, it's used for fades, slides, or for clean transitions. And in camera, you can try the whip, pans, or zooms for dynamic effects. And also in the tab, which is the mask, you can get the creative with shape or glitchy reveals. And here you can tap any transition to preview it. You can adjust the duration below. Around 0.5 to 1 seconds work great for smooth flow. For the fast-paced edit, keep transitions short and snappy. For cinematic cuts, use longer fades. And that's it. That's how you add your smooth transitions in InShot like a pro. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what editing tricks you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.